Okay guys, we're literally jumping right into this video. So we're gonna start with hair, and I'm just sectioning off the hair, and then we're gonna blow dry it so that we just have a lot of volume. Okay, we're just taking piece by piece and blow drying it on the round brush. And when I take it out of the round brush, I kind of twist it and then just leave that hair sitting there until I'm all done, so that hopefully it'll hold a little bit of a wave. All right guys, I really have no idea what I'm doing here. I am just trying my best to create some volume and have my hair not look frizzy. So if you guys have any tips and tricks for me, please let me know, because I found this to be the most awkward thing ever. Drying my hair with a round brush. It's just really awkward, and my arms got tired and I was getting frustrated, but I did it. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, send them my way. Alright, still continuing to section off here. The one thing I will say is that prior to this video, I had washed my hair and just allowed it to air dry. So the hair that you saw before I started with using the Dyson to blow dry my hair, that was just kind of my natural state of hair after it being air dried, and now we're just trying to smooth things out. Okay guys, here we are just gonna put some rollers in just to keep the volume while we're doing our makeup, and then we'll take them out after. Some of this video is not a voiceover and some is, because my husband was recording and it was really loud in the house, so just bear with me, okay? Okay guys, don't mind the rollers, but we're gonna have to work with it because this kind of needs some volume and setting before we do our makeup, so bear with me. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, we're gonna prime. And we're gonna use the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I know some people use this as a lip gloss, I use it as a primer. It just gets my lips perfectly ready for liner and lipstick. Okay, then we're gonna use the FENTY Beauty Primer. This is gonna keep our makeup nice and intact. Now that we're all primed, we're gonna go in with the FENTY foundation. And this one is the color 345. Okay, you know how people do the whole, like this, and then they put the foundation on their face and then blend it? I did that because I tried to be cool with it, and it fully fell on my shirt. Couldn't get it out, had to change my shirt. I'm not doing that again. And I am gonna take my 170 brush from MAC. And just blend this all over my face. I have a feeling my husband's gonna start recording soon. So if I need to switch this video to a voiceover, so be it. But I suppose it's better than not putting anything up, right? Okay, we're back to voiceovers. We are gonna go in with the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter in Peach Lustre. This is to take away some darkness, and we're just pressing that product into the skin, not wiping. Now we're going to take the Born This Way concealer and just cover up anything that the foundation left a little trace of. Okay, using my favorite under eye concealer, we're going to take the KKW number 11 concealer and put that in all of my highlight areas. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the number 10 and just add a little bit under the eyes just to brighten slightly. And then we're going to blend it all out. time to set, taking the KKW baking powder in the number 3. We're just gonna put that under the eyes, basically everywhere that we put the concealer. You wanna make sure that you're doing this under the eyes as quickly as possible so that your concealer doesn't have a chance to crease before you powder it. Next up is the Fenty setting powder in the color Honey, and we're just gonna set our entire face with that. Now we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Mahogany and just add a little bit of dimension to my face. So from the corner of the ear down towards the corner of the mouth, around the forehead, and I'm actually going to contour my nose a little bit with this one today, just because I don't want too much of a structured face, just bronzed. Moving right along to eyes, we're going to take soft ochre as per the usual and use that as a primer for my eyelids, and then we're going to go in with the new BECCA and Khloé and Malika collab. This is Malika's palette. I'm going to take that bronzy color that's supposed to be a bronzer and use that as a transition color on my eyes. We're going to take the peachier color, use that as a lid color, and the highlight color as a brow bone highlight, as well as a highlight for my cheeks. The peachy color will also be my blush color. Alright, moving on to brows, we're going to take Precisely My Brow by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just filling in any holes, nothing too structured today. We're just using this one product in our brows just to get it looking nice and filled in. We are going to wear lashes today, but for now we're just going to take the Stila Huge Extreme Mascara and just give the lashes a coat before putting the falsies on. Okay, so I guess we're going to be doing lashes after lips. We are taking the KKW Nude 2 lip liner and lining the lips, and then going to take the Fenty Uncensored Stunna lip paint, fill in the lips, and then we're gonna go in with a lip brush to blend the lip liner and the lipstick together. And I really don't know how I ended up getting lipstick on my tongue, but you can see it in this clip. That's weird. Okay, I zoomed in here for you guys so you can really see on the bottom lip how there's a separation between the two colors. And you can see on the top lip as I blend how they kind of blend together, but it still gives me a nice lip line. That is the reason that I use this brush. Alright, time to take the rollers out and add some lashes. We're going to be using MAC number 48 and number 6 together, stacked. It's going to give length and volume. Okay guys, here's the finished look. I really have no idea what I'm saying here because my husband was recording and everything was just too loud. I would have gotten flagged with all kinds of copyright, so I had to take the volume out. So we're doing his voiceover. Just pretend this is what I'm saying in the video because it's probably very similar. I don't know why I'm pointing myself, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.